What's up, guys? I'm at SHOT Show. Once again, I stopped at the CAA booth. I've been here many times before. They always have awesome products. I have
Chaim here. I said that right, correctly?
Yes.
All right, so go ahead and tell the guys all the cool stuff you guys got. What's going on?
Well, thanks for having me. Once again, sorry for my voice.
He's losing his voice, but we'll do the best we can.
Long days. Well, what we do have here is the new Micro-RONI Gen 4. Okay, so we do have, as you remember, we had the previous Micro-RONI, which is still exhibited here, which is called the Gen 3 Micro-RONI. We had some differences and new cool stuff added this year. Let's go quick rundown on what we had new. Okay, as opposed to the previous one, which had the cocking charging handle.
Oh, you had to attach it to the gun.
Yes,
right?
like this one. Okay, this one went out. Okay.
I guess that's considered generation 1, right?
Well, we call it generation 3.
Oh, is it 3? I'm way off. Okay.
Yes. This one does not go out. This one is captive. And how come? You know, we listen to our customers, specifically law enforcement customers and military customers back in Israel and here also in the States, told us that, you know, they are afraid to lose it in the dark. So we listened to them and we told them, okay, we'll do that. We'll do a captive one, which you'll only need to put the pistol inside and slide it in. Okay, so that's one difference from the previous one.
Nice.
Okay, the other difference is that this one, as opposed to the previous one, is also compatible with the Glock Gen 5 with the right hand side slide stop. So it's cool. Well, we listen to the customers as well. One more thing is, if you can see here, the difference between the ejection port. This one is the standard one, while this one is a little bit larger one.
It's enlarged.
Yeah, it's enlarged because some people are using weaker ammunition or subsonic ammunition with silencers and that kind of stuff. So they had some, you know, with the weaker ammunition, they had some jams, you know, extracting jams. Okay, so we enlarged that as well. We also, you know, as you can see here, you had the external protrusive slide stop, but some people, once again, law enforcement, military personnel said we want access to the original pistol slide stop, so we opened it up. Okay, so that we'll have an access to the original slide stop. So you see the difference between these two. These are the differences. Okay. Also, we changed the we call it the barrel, but of course it's not a barrel, it's a barrel shroud. We change it from a rounded one to this triangular one with this, so it will become something like a device for
a blast shield.
A blast shield or for muzzle devices.
Nice.
So this was blast shield, flash suppressor. Also it is like for hand-to-hand combat or close quarters and that kind of stuff. Some people here called it the perforator, but not us of course. Okay. Another cool thing is that you can see that we have this attachment, so you can carry this one. You can put it on the pistol.
Oh, it's a flashlight.
Flashlight. Okay, we have the same thing, by the way, with the laser, but I'll explain it in a minute. Okay, so you can have it as a standalone flashlight. Okay, you can put it onto underneath the pistol Picatinny rail, or you can take it out and put it inside the Micro-RONI's device over here.
So this is what it looks like when it's fully installed.
Yes. Okay, so you see, you have in one device a 500 lumen flashlight, which you can put either one, you know, standalone, or pistol, or Micro-RONI. 3 users in one thing. Okay. Same goes.
Hi, how you doing? Good.
Same goes for the laser. Okay, you can install either a laser or a flashlight in the Micro-RONI.
Got it. Thank you.
Another cool thing is the holster. See the holster here? Okay, this one is a quick detached thumb brake holster, which you can deploy the pistol.
Now let's see that again. That was fast.
Really fast. really fast. Okay.
So what is that engaging? What am I looking? How is it engaging to your holster?
Now you can
Oh,
see
I
that you have this platform over here. You should attach it onto the upper Picatinny rail, and then you just flip it in, click, and that's it. You have a thumb brake over here.
Oh, it's locked in there.
Locked in.
So
locked
you can't
in.
be disarmed.
No. Okay. So you just push the thumb brake here, take it out. You can shoot. You can shoot one-handed. You can charge the Micro-RONI, and when you have the time, also open the stock and shoot it. Okay.
Very smart. I like that.
And we also have the firing for that.
Come on in. What's your name?
Alexandria.
All right. Perfect. So what are we looking at here?
Alice has basically the same platform, okay, with a thumb brake, only on a thigh rig. Okay, it's the same mechanism, only on the thigh rig. So it can be deployed as fast as this one. Okay, this kit is very good, for example, for motorcycle SWAT teams or police officers. Perfect for that.
They have a lot of gear up here.
Yes,
They have to put
correct.
the gun down low.
Correct.
Yeah.
Either as a primary weapon or as a secondary weapon.
Nice. So let me ask you this: how much are these going to sell for? Just ballpark price, or do you know yet?
Well, naked without the accessories is about $350. With extra accessories, but without the muzzle shroud and without the optics, which are rather new for now.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have the prices now. We'll have in a couple of weeks. It's about $550.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so it's, as you can see, we have lots of advantages as opposed to buying a new weapon, a new submachine gun. You already, let's say, a police agency already have their Glocks in the agency. They don't need to go ahead and buy a new weapon. They just, put that chassis on their existing weapons, save a lot of money, save a lot of logistics. They don't need new ammunition, new training, new magazine, that kind of stuff, and they get the same results, if not better results, from that kind of system. It's lightweight, it's compact, easy to carry, lots of advantages.
Very cool. So let's talk about this right here. This is a big one too.
Okay. Now this particular one is for the M&P. We're gonna have, aside from Glock 17 and Glock 19 sizes, we're gonna have also for the Smith & Wesson M&P. We're gonna have for the Beretta APX. We're gonna have for the Glock 21 as well. But this particular one, as you can see, as opposed to this one, which is an SBR, to which you have to apply for a tax stamp. This one, you don't need to apply for a tax stamp because it's civilian legal, because it has that brace. Now, as you can see, this brace was the brace which we were using and producing up until now, because it was not allowed to shoulder the brace. But once it was allowed to shoulder the brace about 1.5 months ago, we extended the brace so you can shoulder it.
Nice.
Okay? So that
And
is
it's folding as well, right?
folding as well, correct.
Look at that. Now, can you shoot that with it folded, or is it
No,
difficult?
this particular one, no,
cannot,
but
yeah.
this one, yes.
That one you can. Yeah.
You can charge it and shoot with it while folded, but this one, no.
I like that. I like the fact that it's longer too.
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's actually kind of soft.
Yeah, rubber.
Yeah, it's good on the cheek.
Non-slippery rubber.
Yeah, very nice. So this model here, I know a lot of guys here are going to be interested in this.
Yes, correct.
Ballpark price on this, roughly?
This particular one, again, without all the accessories, about $375.
$375.
Just a little bit more expensive than the standard SBR one.
Very cool.
But bear in mind, SBR you have to pay extra $200 for the tax stamp.
Absolutely. So if you ordered this,
Yes.
does it come with the hand stuff or no?
No, these are
Nothing.
extras. Yes, you will have to pay extras for the extras, so the extra accessories. That is for the thumb rest, for the flip-up sights, for the flashlights. It's about $550, $575.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can grow with this. You start
Yes.
off with the
Yes.
basic,
Yes.
and then you can grow
Yes,
with this.
correct.
Very nice. I noticed something here too. I know we're not really talking about this, but is this new or is this?
Yes, that's new.
Oh, all right. Might as well talk about
We
it.
have a new red dot sight which we're going to launch this year, 2018, with our own mount. As you can see, these one correspond to the sides, the same design.
What is this called, by the way? What's the name of this?
We don't have a name.
Oh,
for
it's
that,
too
but
new to have a
red
name.
sun, red dot
Oh,
sun.
it's a red dot sign.
RDS. We call it
Gotcha.
RDS, I believe.
Okay.
Yes.
Very cool. All right. So is that everything new for you guys, or we have
Well,
more?
these are the new bells and whistles that we are going to launch. Yeah.
And then you have different variations. Of
Yes.
course.
Yes.
You know, one more thing I'm going to grab you before we go, because I
Yes.
see something already in a box.
Yes.
What is that?
Come with
All right. Let's go check this out. All right. So what are we looking at here?
That would be another option for the shooter if he wants to have the.
You want to bring it down and you
Yeah.
can show them?
This one is without the without the cover. That's another accessory that we're going to offer for 2018. A suitcase with designed foam for the Micro-RONI, either for the braced one or for the SBR one. Okay,
Nice.
it will have places also for the accessories, for the sling, for the thumb rest, and all kinds of stuff. We're going to have a small one, and we're going to have yet a bigger one for yet more accessories.
Very cool. So if you guys want to get your inner John Wick on, they're going to have your John Wick gear right here at CAA.
Correct.
Very cool. What is this kit going to run for? Do you know? Is
Well,
it too
no,
early?
no prices.
Too early.
This one,
Okay.
yes,
But
too
at least we know this is coming.
Yes.
That's very cool.
And I'm pretty sure.
Oh, there's the case right there. Another one, like a
that
bigger
would
one,
be
right?
the bigger one, but
Bigger
this one
case.
was for the Ronnie. But the
Oh,
bigger
okay.
one will be, it's not this one,
Yeah.
but it will be this size. Yes, correct.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right.
So I know guys are going to have tons of questions. They're going to learn more. What's your website?
www.caagearup.com. Make sure you visit us.
Pretty awesome booth, guys. You got to check these guys out. I love their stuff. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.